Hello everyone, my name is KB Kwan from TasteAsianFood.com. Today, I want to introduce to you a famous Taiwanese dish called 3 cups chicken or Bei Ji. As the name goes, the key ingredients are a cup of wine, a cup of sesame oil, and a cup of light soy sauce. Let's take a look how to make it. You can use chicken chunks, bone in and skin on to make 3 cups chicken. If not, you can always use chicken breast meat as a substitute. Next, let's take a look at the major seasoning ingredients. That's how the name 3 cups that comes in. A cup of soy sauce, a cup of rice wine, and a cup of sesame oil. But in this case, since I'm only making about half a kilo of chicken, I do use a cup, but still in the same proportion. A portion of light soy sauce mixed with dark soy sauce with an equal portion of rice wine and equal portion of sesame oil. And the rest of the ingredients are ginger, some cloves of garlic. This is dry red chili. If you don't have dry red chili, just use fresh chili will do, and some rock sugar. If you don't have rock sugar, any white sugar will do. And lastly, we have some basil. In fact, all these 4 items are commonly available in most of the Chinese kitchen pantry. Once we get everything ready, it's time to cook. First, add a little bit of sesame oil that we have, about 1/3 of it, into the pan. Heat it up over medium to low heats. After the oil is heated up, add the ginger and the garlic and saute until it turns aromatic. Try not to use high heat because you may burn the garlic and the ginger, and also the smoking point of sesame oil is only about 170 degrees Celsius. So if you use very high heat, there is always a tendency that you may turn the oil into smoke. At this point, you can also add the dry chili. Once it becomes aromatic, add the chicken. And pan fry it slowly until it is about 70 to 80% cooked. The chicken is now partially cooked and the skin has turned slightly brown, which will give you some additional flavor. Now add the seasoning ingredients. The dark soy sauce. It's quite thick, so I'm going to add some water to dilute it. It's the light soy sauce, the wine, the remaining sesame oil, and lastly the rock sugar. And braise for 20 minutes or until the chicken is cooked. The chicken has been braised for about 20 minutes. Now you can see that the liquid starts to thicken, become a thick sauce. It comes to the final step, that is to add the basil leaf to the chicken. Mix the basil leaf with the chicken and cook for about 1 minute until the basil leaves start to wilt. And that's it. You can see the sauce has thickened and clinged onto the surface of the chicken and it's become very glossy. So dish out and serve. Best to serve with steamed rice. And you can also serve with noodles. You can serve it on the plate or on a clay pot. In fact, many chefs braise the chicken in a clay pot. Garnish with some chopped chilies and basil leaves. Thanks for watching, and I hope you will enjoy the 3 cups chicken as much as I do. You can download the recipe and the instruction by following the link in the description right below the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscription button. Until then, I'll see you again in the next video. My name is KP Kwan. Bye for now.